Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vedant, a second year medical student at KJ Somaya Medical College. Today we are going to talk about something that many of you have probably heard about or maybe even use every day: multivitamins. Are they really necessary for daily use? Should we be taking them to stay healthy? Let's break it down all today. Everywhere you look, you see advertisements telling you how essential multivitamins are. They make it seem like without popping one of these pills daily, we are at risk of not being healthy. But is that really the case? Let's start with some basic facts. Multivitamins are dietary supplements that contain a combination of vitamins and minerals. Now, in theory, they sound great, right? A single pill that can give you all nutrients your body needs. But there is a catch. For most people, multivitamins are unnecessary, and in some cases, they might even be harmful. In India, especially, our traditional diet is already rich in essential nutrients. A well balanced diet that includes vegetables, fruits, grains, and pulses typically provides most of the vitamins and minerals our body needs. If you are eating a balanced diet with enough variety, chances are you are getting all vitamins and minerals your body needs without having to take a supplement. In fact, studies show that most people who eat balanced diet don't need multivitamins at all. So where did idea of daily multivitamin come from? It's a combination of good marketing and misinformation. Companies make a lot of money selling supplements. So they have pushed the idea that we all are deficient in vitamins and the only way to fix is by taking vitamins every day. Let's get into some science behind it. Vitamins can be divided into two categories: water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B complex are not stored in the body, so if you take too much, your body just gets rid of excess in your urine. That's why your urine sometimes look like bright yellow after taking multivitamin. Your body is flushing out the extra. Now, fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K are a bit more dangerous because when taken in excess, they are stored in your body's fat and cause toxicity over time. For example, too much vitamin A can cause liver damage, and too much vitamin D can lead to high calcium levels in your body, which is dangerous for your kidneys and cause kidney stones. So, is there a situation where multivitamins are necessary? Yes, in some specific cases, pregnant women, for example, are often advised to take folic acid so that there may not be a complication of neural tube defect in babies. People with certain medical conditions like anemia or osteoporosis may need to take supplements. Older people might need vitamin D and calcium if they aren't getting enough from their diet, which is usually the cases in India. But in these cases, it's important to note that these vitamins are prescribed by professionals after medical diagnosis. Taking multivitamins without a doctor's recommendation is not only unnecessary for most people, but can also give you a false sense of security. Another problem with multivitamins is that they distract you from real issue, which is poor diet. Instead of focusing on eating healthier and getting your nutrients from whole food, people rely on pills to make up for their unhealthy eating habits. But the truth is, supplements can never fully replace the benefit of eating real food. Whole food contain fiber, antioxidants, and other compounds that are essential for your health, which you won't find in a pill. Now let's talk a bit more about how body absorbs nutrients. The truth is the body absorbs nutrients from foods much more efficiently than from supplements. This is because we eat whole foods. We are not consuming individual vitamins or minerals. We are also getting a variety of other beneficial compounds like fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that help our body to make most of what we eat. Let's take iron for example. Iron from plant based sources like spinach, lentils, and beans is combined with other nutrients in these foods that aid its absorption. Vitamin C, for instance, help your body absorb plant based iron more effectively. And that's something you naturally get when you pair iron rich food with something like tomatoes, bell pepper, or citrus fruits. So, eating spinach with squeeze of lemon or having a bowl of lentils with some tomato on the side can help your body absorb more iron than multivitamin tablet ever could. In contrast, iron from supplements may not be absorbed as well, and in some cases, it can lead to digestive issues like constipation or nausea. Let's take a look at calcium next. When you get calcium from natural sources like milk, yogurt, or leafy green vegetables like kale, your body absorbs it along with other beneficial nutrients like vitamin K and magnesium, which are essential for your bone health. In supplements, however, you may just get calcium alone without the support team of nutrients that help your body use it effectively. The same goes for magnesium as well, which is found in foods like nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods not only provide magnesium but also fibers, healthy fats, and antioxidants. If you rely on supplements, you're missing on these extra benefits that food naturally offers. And it's not only about minerals. Vitamins like vitamin E, which is found in nuts and seeds, or vitamin A found in carrots and sweet potatoes, are absorbed much better when consumed through whole foods. These foods come with fats and other nutrients that help the body absorb fat soluble vitamins more efficiently. Whole foods are designed by nature to give us balanced package of nutrients that work together. For example, when you eat orange, you're not just getting vitamin C, but also fibers and antioxidants like flavonoids, which have additional health benefits. This kind of synergy between nutrients is something that supplements just can't replicate. So, while it might be tempting to take a multivitamin and call it a day, the stark reality is that no pill can match the complex and nutrient dense package the whole food provides. Your body knows how to handle and absorb these nutrients when they come from real food sources, but supplements are a whole different story. They might help in specific cases, but they are no substitute for healthy and balanced diet. Remember, nature has already given us the best way to get vitamins and minerals we need, and it comes in form of fruits, vegetables, grains and proteins. So before you reach for supplement, think about how you can adjust your diet to get nutrients you need naturally. So what's the takeaway message? For most people, multivitamins aren't necessary at all. If you're eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins, you're probably getting all vitamins and minerals you need. If you're concerned about a deficiency, the best thing to do is go and talk to a doctor and get a blood test. Don't just rely on what you see in advertisements. I hope this video cleared up some of the confusions about multivitamins. Remember, good health comes from balanced diet and not from pills. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe for more content on health, medicine, and debunking common myths. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in next video.